Did you know a prophet once summoned wild bears to attack his mockers? After Elijah was taken up to heaven, Elisha inherited double his supernatural power. He was now God's chosen prophet, carrying ultimate divine authority over Israel. As he walked toward Bethel, a group of young men came out to meet him. But instead of showing respect, they began mocking him mercilessly. "Go up, you bald head! Go up, you bald head!" they shouted over and over. This wasn't just an insult, it was deliberate disrespect toward God's anointed. Their mockery grew louder and more intense with each taunt. Finally, Elisha turned to face them with divine anger burning in his eyes. He cursed them in the name of the Lord. Instantly, two massive bears burst from the nearby woods. In a terrifying frenzy, they mauled 42 of the mockers. The supernatural attack was swift and devastating. From that day forward, all Israel knew that disrespecting God's prophets carried deadly consequences.